So, you've decided to break free from the shackles of dual booting? Let's scrub that Ubuntu from your Windows 10 setup. First things first, boot into Windows 10, locate and right-click the Start button. Then select Disk Management from the menu. Behold, the Disk Management window. This is where the magic, or in this case, the unmagic, happens. Identify those Ubuntu partitions. They'll usually be listed as Linux file system or have a different file system type, or will show up with unnamed labels. Make a note of their sizes and any drive letters. Now, the moment of truth, right-click each Ubuntu partition one by one, carefully select Delete Volume, confirm the deletion. When prompted, repeat this process for all Ubuntu partitions you spotted earlier. Remembered that you should pay extra attention to identify the right partitions. With the former Ubuntu space now allocated, it's time to reclaim it. Simply right-click your Windows C drive and choose Extend Volume. Follow the on-screen prompts to seamlessly merge that unallocated space back. You're getting more storage space. Excellent. Now it's time to fix the bootloader. Use the Windows search bar, type cmd, then right-click command prompt from the search results and choose Run as Administrator. Into the command line we go. Type boottrack/fixmbr and press enter. This command is crucial. It points Windows back to itself for booting. Next, enter boottrack/fix boot and press enter. Following that, type boottrack/scanos and then hit enter. After this scan finishes, type boottrack/rebuild bcd and press enter if prompted. Accept any offers to reconstruct the boot menu. Now, with the Ubuntu partition gone and the bootloader mended, safely restart your computer. You conquered the dual boot.